Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use sound equalizer of your JBL Pulse 5 speaker. So first of all, you have to select this speaker from the JBL portable application, and then you have to scroll down and there is the equalizer where you can adjust bass, middle and the treble by moving these dots. You can adjust it to your own preferences. If you want to check how it sounds, just take a look. We can, for example, turn on this fire sound. And that's how it sounds when I turn off the equalizer. A little bit different, right? So yeah, that's how we can adjust this equalizer. That's how we can turn it on, turn it off, and adjust these three parameters. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.